In today's video, we are going to cover how to enter a state tax refund on 1099G in TurboTax. If you are already signed in, begin by opening your current tax return so you are working inside the return for the tax year you need to file. Once the return is open, move to the left side of the TurboTax screen and select Federal. This takes you into the Federal section of the return, where your income categories and related forms are organized. After that, click Income. On the Income page, open Wages and Income Summary so you can view the full list of income sections available in your return. This summary page is where you can move directly to the area for state and local tax refunds reported on Form 1099G. Scroll until you find Other Common Income. In that group, locate state and local tax refunds on Form 1099G. Next to that section, click Start if you have not entered anything there yet, or click Revisit if you are returning to an entry you already began. Either option will open the same interview area for this form. TurboTax will ask whether you received a state or local tax refund during the tax year. Select Yes to continue. You will then be taken to the entry screen for Form 1099G. Use the form you received and type in the state or local tax refund amount exactly as shown, along with the other requested details from that form. Enter the information carefully so the amount and any identifying details match what appears on your 1099G. After you enter the form details, TurboTax will ask a few follow-up questions about your prior year state taxes and deductions. Read each screen and answer based on your prior year return and the deduction information requested. These questions help TurboTax determine whether any part of the refund affects your current federal return, so it is worth reviewing each prompt before moving forward. When you finish those questions, review the information you entered on the summary or confirmation screen. Make sure the refund amount and related details are correct, then click Continue. TurboTax will guide you through the remaining prompts tied to that section. Keep selecting the appropriate answers until the program brings you back to the income summary page. At that point, you can confirm that the state and local tax refund section now shows as completed or revisited with your entry saved. That lets you know the 1099G information has been added to the return and you are ready to move on to the next part of your income review. Thanks for watching. Your state tax refund from Form 1099G is now entered in TurboTax.